Good morning. Okay, today we're actually doing Greta Lee's Vogue tutorial, unlike last time where I just got sucked into myself. I also wanted to do this video because she's one of the few Asian or Asian American, I guess, celebrities or people that have been on Vogue Beauty Secrets, and I just think representation is important, and I liked her makeup. She had a cool vibe, so I was like, let's do it. Okay, so the first step is to confront the face. You got some little babies here popping up, some over here. It's not that bad though. Okay, next she likes to use a face roller. I do not have a face roller because I don't know if I believe in it, but here we go. I'm gonna use vitamin C serum, just testing this out too. So that's gonna be my youth Dior serum. And then she loves even more moisturizers. I'm gonna put on some rosehip oil. And then I'll put on some moisturizer. Alright. Alright, I look great and glowing. Okay, so next she uses a light oil-based foundation. I am not going to use an oil-based one, but I will use my trusty Infallible Pro Matte and use my hands to apply it just like she did. I also have oil on my face, so I feel like it kind of matches what she's doing. Put on a teeny tiny bit. Oh, it smells so weird. Alright, then she uses a concealer, uses her finger, and she likes to conceal sometimes a big freckle, so there we go. She's hilarious, honestly. She's like, bye! I think she's voicing the next Spiderverse movie. I don't know which character, but that's really exciting. So next she's like, I'm gonna go contour, and then goes into a cream blush and puts it kind of low on her cheeks. So I'll just do that. She puts it like here. Like, I don't know if she's using it as contour. I guess it looks kind of contoured, like, okay. Alright, then she uses this matte bronzer on her eyelids. She uses NARS, but this is what I have, so. Okay, and then she has this, like, highlighter stick that she likes to put on. I don't have a highlighter stick, so I'm gonna go with my liquid highlighter. Just that much. Okay, and then she uses a brown eyeliner and puts a little on the outer corner, a little on the inner corner. So I'll just do that. Ah! Then eyelash curler. And then I actually do have a product that she has now. She likes it because, and I like it too, because it kind of holds the curl, but it looks super natural. You don't need that much. Beautiful. Okay, so next she does her brows, and she got her eyebrows microbladed, so I'm gonna just fill them in like they're microbladed, kind of. I'm gonna just draw them closer because her brows are pretty close on her face. And then she likes to use brow flakes, so I have this liquid eyeliner that I'm gonna use. This looks bad. Alright, we're gonna try this again. Use a really light hand because I am using literally ultra black eyeliner. But come on now, come on. That looks pretty good, huh? Okay, so can you see the hairs that I've created? I know they look really stupid up close, but come on, like, I did pretty well. I look like Greta Lee. Look, I am Greta Lee now. So then she uses a tinted brow gel to set it, and I will be super careful. She uses Boy Brow. I'm honestly, I've used it, not a huge fan. Don't know why, but I'm the only one that doesn't like it. So she describes her eyeliner as short little strokes and then lifting off into space, so that's what we'll do. Short little strokes and lift off into space. I cover it with a darker eyeliner because this is not dark at all. Good. Greta uses Glossier Zip. She wants to do like a casual red lip, so I recently purchased some of the Lisa Eldridge lipsticks, which are amazing. Like, the formula is crazy soft, and I still haven't worn it out completely like for a whole day, but here's one color, which, holy crap, like, that's crazy. So I'm gonna just this looks like a matte blotted look that she's looking for. And then she slicks it back.
I like to just take these out because they're gonna come out anyways.
And so that's the final look. It's super simple. I really like it, and I think I'm gonna try going out with some red stained lips, and this look is definitely something that I wouldn't have gone out with, I guess. But yeah, it's just really exciting to see Asian American representation really starting to skyrocket, and I hope it keeps going that way. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video, learned something new, and I'll see y'all next week.